Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Happy Sunday everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we are going to be featuring an upcoming development in the heart of Ocho Rios called Soul Harbour. Now this development has not been built yet, ground has not yet been broken yet, but they are advertising and you are able to purchase these units pre-construction, so off plan. These units are apartments. There will be 2 7-story apartment blocks. Some of the apartments will overlook the sea and some of them will have views of the mountain. Right, okay guys, I just wanted to make a disclaimer before we move forward with the video. Now guys, we like to show you what's out there. We like to show you the new developments. We like to show you what's being built in Jamaica, as you know. Guys, we are impartial, okay? So we're not trying to sell anything. We are not the realtor. We're not getting any paid sponsorship. We're not getting paid to do any of this. We're just showing you what's out there. And guys, it's up to you to do your research, okay? So we will visit the developments. We'll show you what's out there. We'll give you the information that we get. But guys, if you're interested, please do your research, okay? Go online, make those phone calls, do research, okay? Do your own research. We're just showing you kind of, you know, a glimpse or the tip of the iceberg. But please, guys, I am encouraging you all. If you see something that we show and you're interested, please, please, please do your research. Find out if it's right for you. Okay, guys, like I said, we are not the realtors. Many times people think I'm the realtor. I get calls every day asking, you know, about properties that we've shown. We're not the realtors. We just go along. We just go around the island and show you guys what's out there. But it's up to you to, you know, take the responsibility to do your research, speak to who you need to speak to, and find out if this is the best choice for you. Okay, guys. Okay, as per usual, we always like to take you on a drive to the development. So we are in Ocho Rios right now. I'm sure many of you will recognize where we are, the Rios gas station. So we're going to take this left onto Milford Road. To the right you can see Turtle Park. So on the left onto Milford Road. Further up, you guys will know that you have Ocho Rios High on the right hand side, and this straight up this road leads into Fern Gully. But as you take the left onto Milford Road, we're going to take this first right turn. So just to show you how close the development is to the town centre, walking distance to everything. And as we drive on this road, the development is going to be built on the right hand side. So all this land that you can see on the right hand side, this is where the development will be built. Now, like I said, guys, there's nothing there yet. The development hasn't yet been built. Ground hasn't yet been broken, but they are advertising. And I think they are hoping for completion to be by next year, if I'm not mistaken. You can already see there are some houses to the left, and at the very end of this road there is a left turn where there are built up houses. It's just a dead end to the left here, but to the right is where the work will be taking place, where the building, where the development will be taking place. Coming up now are some generated pictures of what the development is proposed to look like once it is complete. Okay, some further information about this development. So like I said, Soul Harbour on completion will comprise 2 7-story buildings set in lush landscapes. These model apartments will capture the best of tropical apartment living and overlook the Ocho coast on the north and the mountains on the south. They will feature a mix of studio apartments, 140 of them, and 2-bedroom apartments, 12 of them, all with either French balconies or extended balconies, large windows, high ceilings and good natural light. For recreation and activity, there will be many offerings. The development will include jogging or walking trails around the apartments, play areas for children and landscape nooks for reading or relaxing outdoors. The pavilion-type clubhouse located on an elevated site which flows onto an extended pool deck with main pool will offer amazing views of the Ocho Harbour. Right, prices. So there are 140 studio apartments sized at 600 square feet. Pre-construction price, guys. So this is pre-construction off-plan price starting at $185,000 US. Pre-construction price for the studio apartments starting at $185,000 US. Okay. The 2-bedroom, there are 12 2-bedroom apartments, size 1,250 square feet, pre-construction price, off-plan price, starting at $400,000 US. So guys, you know, once these are built, the prices, of course, are going to be a lot more. Okay, they're going to increase. So these are just the pre-construction prices. Documentation for purchasing is as follows. So of course, valid ID, driver's license, passport or national ID, tax registration number, TRN, customer information form which you can download from the Proven website, who are the developers, pre-qualification letter from mortgage provider if you're getting a mortgage. For cash sales, a bank letter or a bank statement providing source of funds is required. For cash sales, an initial deposit of 15% is required. Second deposit 20% due 90 days after signing agreement for sale. Third deposit 15% due 180 days after signing agreement for sale. Fourth deposit 10% due 270 days after signing the agreement for sale, spread over 1 year. For mortgage sales, an initial deposit of 10% is required. The balance of 90% is due on completion. and we just wanted to show you on the drive out from the development, just to show you really how close it is into Ocho town centre. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like the video, press that thumbs up button. Please do comment, share. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Please do watch a little bit of the ads. And until next time, that was it.